Good morning, students of class 5th. Here, your math teacher Artikara is going to teach you chapter number 12, Circle. So, let's recall first of all. A circle is a simple closed curve consisting of all the points that are at the fixed distance from a fixed point inside it. It has no corner or sides because it is circle in shape. So, in the circle shown in the figure, alongside O is the center of the circle. The point A, B, C, D, E, F are acute stand for from the center all the points which lie either on the circle or inside the circle from the circular region. The line segment joining the center of the circle of any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. In the given figure, OA and OB are two radii. The distance from one point to another point on a circle that passes through the center is called diameter. It is double the radius. Simple. So in the given figure, AB is a diameter and diameter 2 into radius or radius is equals to diameter upon 2. Okay, now we are going to do recall exercises first. So here find the diameter of the circle whose radius are 3 centimeters. So just double it. It is going to be 3 into 6. 3 into 2 is 6 centimeters. So here just write here 6 centimeter. Now 7 into 2 is 14 centimeter. 10 into 2 is 20 centimeter. 5.5 when you multiply with 5.5 you will get answer in decimals. So here 11 is the answer. 11 centimeter will be the answer. 11.0 means 11 centimeter. Now find the radii of the circle whose diameter are. So you have to divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 2 is 9 and 9.6 divided by 2 is 4.8. 4.8 is the answer of this question. Now draw a circle in your notebook and name as the following. This you have to do with the circle. You can use compass also. Now we can draw an infinite number of radii and diameter in a circle if we know that circle has infinite means nothing is going to be measured in that. Okay, so it has no limits it means. So it is like that. We are going to read this arc of circle, semicircle, interior, exterior, constructional of circle. How to construct the circle? You have to make it with scale and compass. When you make it 4 centimeter of radius, it is going to be 8 centimeter of diameter. Okay. So what is the longest chord of a circle? Longest chord of a circle is diameter, obviously, because it is the main part of the circle. Diameter divides the circle into two halves called, it is called, if diameter is dividing, it is called semicircle. Okay, semicircle. Next is total length of the boundary of circle is called when we know that it is total boundary. Proper boundary is there. So what is the length of it? Boundary of a circle is called its circumferences, and when we want to make circle with the radius, if we want, it is used with the compass and ruler. Diameter of a circle is POQ in this given figure. Chord of a circle is AB. Okay, that comes from starting from this one point and from with one point. point in the interior of the circle. Interior of the circle point is S and O. O is the main point, and OP and OQ are the radii of the circle. This is PO and OQ are the radius of the circle. This is like that only. Now students complete the table. In this radius is 4 centimeter. So just double it. 4 into 2 is 8 centimeter. When it is 7.5, when 15, it is going to be divided by 2. That will be 7.5. If it is 26, just divided by 2. That is 13. So 8.2 is given here. Just multiply with 2. You will get 16.4. 20 mm is there. You just multiply it 2. You will get 40 mm. Likewise, you will do the construction also. Now students construct the circle with the following radii using a compass. Just set the ruler and compass with 4 centimeter and then draw the circle. Draw a circle with the following diameter. Diameter is 8. You just divide it by 2. It will be 4. Then again you have to make the circle of that radii, because in that diameter should come 8. So, relation between circumferences and diameter of a circle is circumference is pi into diameter. It is called pi, where pi is constant whose value is 22 upon 7. When it is asked, so you have to multiply with 3.14, or you have to multiply with 3.414, or you have to multiply by 22 upon 7. So it is 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is equals to diameter. So if diameter of a circle is 5 centimeter, this is an example. So just multiply it, you will get the answer 15.7. Now circumferences, if it is given radius is given here and circumferences are given and radius is asked. So what you are going to do is circumferences will come at the top and upon 2 into 22 upon 7. It will be reciprocal and answer will be 4.3. That we will do in our exercise 12.2 also. And that 10 centimeter is there. 10 centimeter into 22 upon 7. Okay, this will be the formula. Every time you have to multiply by 22 upon 7. Okay, here when you multiply 22 upon 7, you will get the answer. So students, you should know the rule also. So 10 centimeter into 22 upon 7, answer will come 31.42 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter into 22 upon 7, answer will be 17.28 centimeter. 3.2 centimeter into 22 upon 7 is 10.06 is the answer, centimeter in answer. 3.5 into 22 upon 7, answer is 11 centimeter. Likewise, now you have to do find the radius of a circle whose circumference is given. I have told you the formula. In that you have to apply that formula. Now there are 7 round tables at a party. The radius of each table is 20 centimeters. It is called radius. So it means 1/4 part. Now how much long ribbon is required to cover these 7 tables? First of all, you have to take out the diameter, then you have to take out the circumferences, then you are able to take out the quantity of numbers of ribbon that is required. Now diameter of a circle tire is 30 centimeter. How far will it move in one term of the wheel? Okay, now an asteroid hit the earth and covered an huge round crater. Scientists measured the distance around the crater is 52 kilometer. What is the diameter of a crater? You have known about the distance, that is circumferences only. So you have to take out the diameter. Okay, a circle is a closed figure. Closed curve consists of numerous points which are at equal distance from the center. Half of the circle is semicircle. Diameter of a circle is always double its radius, and it is the longest chord of the circle, that is learned by you. Now we will do quickly our chapter checkup. Here, the number of diameter of a circle can have is number of diameter of a circle can have infinite, because diameter can be cross cross 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 4. So when you make the circle, you will come to know that how many diameters of a circle can be done. There are infinite numbers of diameters and radius too. If the number of a circle is doubled, if it is doubled, then diameter will be 4 times. It is obviously a line segment whose ends points lie on the circle is called chord. If the diameter of a circle is 4.8, just make it half and you will get the answer 2.4 centimeter. Now draw a circle in that 3 centimeter which you are going to use with ruler and with compass, and then you have to draw center, chord, point x, y, z like this. Now find the diameter of a circle whose radius is, find the diameter. The radius is 7 centimeter. You just make it 14. 7 twos are 14. 14 centimeter is the answer of this question. Next is 2.9. When it is coming 2.9, so what you are going to do is you are going to multiply with 2. Answer will come here 5.8 and centimeter will be the same. 6.5 centimeter is the radius. So answer will come here 13 centimeter. Next is 9 into 2 is 18. So 18 centimeter is the answer. Now find the radius and the diameter both of the circle whose circumferences are there. In that you have to apply that reciprocal rule. In that you have to apply the formula also. Okay. Now we have done the. Okay. Now in circular swimming pool, has a radius of 14 meters, so it just double it, 28 will be there, then 28 into 22 upon 7, answer will come 88 meter. In that also 30 into 22 upon 7, answer will come 94.28 centimeter. Okay, now we have done this exercise also. Hope you have enjoyed. Now you do it in your copy. Okay, have a good day. Bye, students.